Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to zoom in Sony Vegas Pro. So there's something that is used quite a lot and it's actually pretty simple to do, but in Sony Vegas some people can struggle with it, but I'm going to show you that today. So by using that, there is a part in this video that I made that is about the name. So I want to zoom in on my name to show that it is actually about it, you know. The zoom really helps to focus on something you're talking about. So I'm going to search somewhere in the video, I'm going to listen a little bit to it, where it actually was. Actually, to start off we have the names. Oh, it was actually there. Okay, so right here, I'm saying this sentence. Help you out. And actually to start off, we have the name. So that starts approximately around here. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna click split, so it's right here. And then until the moment I don't want it to say anymore. So the name is generally should be numbers in your name, not Mike the Gamer 77. Now I don't want, when I'm talking about the name the whole time, be zoomed in on the name actually. That will be a little bit weird. Well, let's say until here, something like that. So I'm going to split it again. I am going to click on this. So I'm going to use this. This is a timeline and this will actually allow you to make these kind of animations. So now for the animation part actually, I'm going to put a dot. So that will signify that it is edited. Somewhere around here, I guess. We're going to see later if it's too slow or too fast. I guess we have to do it faster. So put it somewhere over here. And this is actually going to be the part that I zoom in. So I'm going to put this here. It's a keyframe actually, yes. And what I'm going to do now the part that I animated. Well, not really animating it, I mean, this part is the zooming, of course. So what we're gonna do, gonna focus, the name is around here. Not really taking everything, it's gonna directly zoom into my name. It's not gonna do what I just did, go here, 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 go like this. It will immediately go to the end result. Something like this would be good, actually. There we go. But yeah, as you can see, this is the zooming part. So I'm going from here, we're going right to the name. Now it will stay like this until you say it not to. So we set something around here, so that's, I guess this will then be the end. And put it here. It's gonna be the same one. Actually gonna put this one. Gonna say copy. Go with the arrow, this thing, all the way back. Gonna say paste. And it's actually gonna be like the beginning. If I show you fastly, it's gonna zoom in. It's gonna be zoomed in until you say not to anymore, which is around here when it starts zooming out again. Exit that. I'm gonna look at this and how it actually went. Hopefully they will really help you out. And actually to start off, we have the name. So the name is generally not bad, but I think it is too slow. Yeah, it's a bit too slow. It's a bit too slow. So the only thing you have to do when it is like too slow in this case, you're gonna have to put this dot. You're gonna move it closer to the beginning. This one too actually, to make sense. And then the movement will be faster, you know, because it will be reaching the frame, the keyframe faster. So it will zoom in faster right now. Okay, so if you put this dot right here, it's gonna take a really long time. That's how that works. So I'm gonna see if it went better this time. Actually, to start off, we have the name. So yeah, it's good enough. It's good enough. It's to show you the idea how to zoom in. So as I said, a quick tutorial, an easy tutorial, something everybody can do. Maybe you are wondering for it. If you have the time, if you want it, you can use this effect. You can zoom in on some important parts of the tutorial. This looks professional. It looks smooth, as you can see. And I will definitely recommend it to use. So I'm going to do more of these kind of simple tricks that that people would actually not necessarily need, but maybe you didn't know, you know. Just help you out with such tools as this, which is basically using the animation frame to make a zoom effect. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. If you like this video, please leave a like. It would really be nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.